Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Civil Tech. Today we'll be learning about Introduction to the Tools in the SketchUp software, a second video from our software series SketchUp. So let's start with the video. The first tool we'll learn is about line. To draw any line in SketchUp software, we use this line tool. Suppose I have to draw a line. So I will left click. As you can see, I can draw a line in the first quadrant. If the line is shown in red color, then the line will be parallel to the red axis. Similarly, if it is shown in green color, then it will be parallel to the green axis, and same as if it is in blue color, then it will be parallel to the blue axis. Now I have to draw a line of 2 meter or suppose 3 meter. So in case, you can see here length is shown at the right bottom corner of your screen, length. So I will simply click 3 on your keyboard and press enter. This line will be of 3 meter. Now I have to draw a line of 2 meter along the green axis, so I will click 2, enter. Now to draw a parallel line to the red axis of 2 meter dimension, I click 2 and enter. I will complete the box rectangular 2 meter. As you can see, after joining all the 4 lines, a surface is created. Now I have to erase this extra line. So I will use the erase tool. I simply click on the eraser, then the line gets removed. Now suppose we click on the junction. As you can see, all the 3 surfaces which were meeting at the junction get erased. Similarly, as you can see, it get erased. For instance, we'll do undo 50. Now you have to erase everything. Just click here, go through here. As you can see, everything which is selected get erased. Now coming up with next tool is rectangle. So you can draw a rectangle in SketchUp software using this rectangular tool. As you can see, of any dimension we can do. Now I have to draw a rectangular of size 3 by 2. So I will just click left click, and as you can see here dimensions are shown. I will just click 3, then give comma and type 2 on keyboard and press enter. As you can see, the rectangle is created. It is of dimension 3 by 2. So to check the dimensions, we'll use the dimension tool. Then just simply left click, and then as you can see, this is of 3 meter. Similarly, we'll check the dimension across the axis. As you can see, we have drawn a rectangular of 3 by 2 dimension. Erase the dimension. Simply I click on eraser tool. The dimension get erased. The next tool which we are going to learn is circle. If you have to draw a circle in SketchUp software, then click this circle tool. Simply click left click on mouse. As you can see, radius will give command as 2 meter. Press enter. The circle of 2 meter radius is drawn. Now, if you have to increase the number of sides of this circle, that is segments, then go at the center point of this circle and click Ctrl plus. You can see the number of sides goes on increasing. Similarly, if you have to decrease the number of sides, go on center, Ctrl and minus. The number of sides goes on decreasing. The next tool is the polygon. If you have to draw a polygon in SketchUp software, then we can use this tool. Left click. Now you have to change the number of segments in polygon. Same control and then minus. If you have to draw a pentagon, then I will come with pentagon. The radius I will give as 2. This is pentagon. Suppose I have to draw a hexagon, the same. Then I will use Ctrl plus hexagon. Enter 2. The radius of hexagon. As you can see, hexagon. Similarly, you can draw Similarly, you can draw a polygon of any size and n number of sides. I can show you. This is 12 sides. Then suppose if we have to draw a 2-point arc. This is the center of the arc. This is the second point from where the arc starts. As you can see, the arc is drawn. Now I have to draw a straight line up to this one. So go with here. This is quarter circle arc. Now this is a 2-point arc. This was the end point. End point. You can stretch up to where you want. But I have to draw it here. So I have drawn the arc, 2-point arc. And this is the 3-point arc. Hexagon. End point. Another end point. This is the third. As you can see, the 3-point arc is drawn. Next tool is pi. So select the center. This is the first point, and you have to complete the arc. This pi. Just click here. The pi gets completed. Further, there are 6 important tools used in SketchUp, basic tools in the SketchUp that are continuously used. So we'll look about these tools. Starting with orbit, suppose you have to change the position of camera that is in the axis. So just click on the orbit, left click, and move your mouse in the desired direction. As you can see, I can go on top, you can see from bottom, I can move in any quadrant using this orbit. The next is the pan. The pan functions same as the pan tool in AutoCAD. You have to move this screen, then you have to pan. The next is zoom. To zoom in or zoom out, the zoom tool is used. Just click on zoom, then scroll in forward direction, the windows get zoomed. If you go and scroll backward direction, the windows get zoomed. The next is zoom window. If you have to zoom in the selected window, then just click on zoom window, draw the window, and it gets the zoom, specifically that one. The next is zoom extend. Suppose while working in SketchUp, we get lost somewhere and we don't know how to come out. Suppose I am lost, I don't know how to get zoom out. Just simply click on zoom extends, and the SketchUp will automatically zoom you to the extent of your drawing. Next is previous. You can save some camera views in SketchUp software, and if you have to go to the previous camera view, then just clicking on this came to the previous view of my camera. Similarly, I can come again backwards, again backwards, again backwards. These are the basic tools which are important in SketchUp, and SketchUp provides some shortcuts for using these tools, as we frequently use these 6 tools. For orbit, if you click on scroll button, the orbit tool appears. As you can see, just by clicking on scroll button and moving the mouse, I can use the orbit. Similarly, for pan, click scroll, means orbit is seen, and then press shift. Scroll and shift. As you can see, after pressing scroll and shift, a pan tool is active. Then just move your mouse in the desired direction. That's it from the part 1 of the introduction to the tools in SketchUp. Try each and every tool shown in the today's video, practice it, handle each and every tool, especially these 6 tools. These are useful at every point while using the SketchUp software. For any doubts, please mention in the comments. I will try to solve it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.